how to create a pattern layer in Affinity. Go to the Layers panel, select a layer, then go to the Move tool in the Tools panel, select that, and then go to Pixel, and then New Pattern Layer from Selection. Click that, and then you can resize, and you can see now you've got a pattern. If you want it mirrored or seamless, just go to Mirror in the Context toolbar. Go to the Tools panel and select the Rectangular Marquee Tool. Select part of the image, and I'm just going to select this part, and then go to Pixel, and then down to New Pattern Layer from Selection. With that, you can now see you've got another pattern layer, and you can resize and rotate that design. You can see it's listed as pattern here in the Layers panel. Go to the Elliptical Marquee Tool, select that, and then select part of the image. I'm going to go with this part, and then go to Pixel, and just down to New Pattern Layer from Selection again. You've got one pattern layer. You can duplicate that by holding down the Alt or Option key on the keyboard and drag. Once you've done that, you can select both of those patterns and then go to right click and merge selected to get one pattern layer, and then you can resize and rotate that as well. Go to Pixel and New Fill Layer. In there, go to the Context toolbar, and you've got the Fill and set Type to Bitmap. So go Bitmap, and with that you'll get a display here, and you can select one of the files. I'm just going to go with this one. It's a JPEG file, and click Open. And now you can see your design there, and you can resize it and move this around, and also set the extend. So I'm just going to go with Mirror. You can't directly convert this to a pattern, but what you can do is Pixel and go down to Rasterize and Rasterize. And now you can go to Pixel and down to New Pattern Layer from Selection. Exactly the same as before, go to the Move tool and resize and rotate, as well as set the mirror option if you wish.